Hello and welcome back. So kicking off after yesterday's video, the watch has been stripped down and is now ready to be cleaned. Once it's been through the cleaning machine, we can go about reassembling. I'll start by removing the balance. So the first thing I'll do is assemble the train. And start by lubricating the hole for the centre wheel, and then place the train wheels. So before I can place the main bridge on top, I need the barrel. To reassemble the barrel, grease the posts on the arbor and slide it into place, making sure it latches onto the mainspring. Grease the cap and press it into place. Grease the seating for the barrel arbor and slide the barrel into place. We can then go about placing the main bridge in place, making sure all the wheels move freely when fitted. Once in place, we add the escape wheel and the escape wheel bridge. And make sure all the pivots are oiled appropriately. Now that the main bridge is in place, I can fit and complete the key list on the dial side. To secure the stem, I tighten the setting lever screw, and then apply grease where needed. I then take the ratchet and cram wheels, which are looking nice and clean, and fit them. Yes, this means more grease. Seeing as this is a cylinder escapement and there is no pallets, I'll go about placing some light oil on the surfaces of the teeth that will be engaging with the cylinder. Before fitting the balance, I apply a small amount of oil to the balance jewel. Once in place, I shake it a little to see if it spins freely. Seeing it move freely, I know it's in place and I can tighten the screw. And after giving it a little wind, it springs into life. Before I forget, I oil the balance jewel on the dial side. And then grease the posts for the cannon pinion and minute wheel. And pushing the cannon pinion into place. Once all the wheels are in place, I refit the dial, ensuring the dial feet screws are engaged. Before I fit the hands, I want to clean and use the case to make hand aligning a little easier. I'm just going to be using some silver polish and a cloth to remove the tarnish. Once polished, I remove the stem and crown in order to fit the movement into the case. With the movement now secure, I then fit the hands, using this little button on the side of the case to help align the hands properly. And there you go, the reassembly of a silver pocket watch. I know this is something a little different on this channel, and I hope that you've learned something new. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.